Okay, this is Chloe and Rock Wallows glitter. Try to get the names to the faces. Okay, in the red collar doing the watermelon crawl, Rocky. Then the pink girl is Molly. To the left is Rochester. And the green is Mikey. And the red with bones is Mango. And the orange is Howie. Male 3, female 1, male 1. Blue would be male 4. Red is male 2. Pink, female 2. Some of them are getting around really well. Some of them still need to learn how to use their back legs. So since my LASIK surgery last Thursday, I still don't have good vision, which is normal. So the video is for you this week. Howie and Mango just put their collars on last night and they're not real thrilled with them. There's Rochester, Rocky, Howie, and Mikey. I know. Oh, he doesn't like his collar at all. There'll be a big difference come next week.